In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam region, store, and country. I've recently did this because my billing card was different to the region that Steam had recognized, and I'm going to show you and share my experience on how I did it. So if you go to store and you try and pay for something, you'll be given some options here to change your country. So here you can see country. If you click on other, it will probably say the country that your account was created in and maybe the country that you're currently in. You can click on other and click update your store country, but really all it's going to say is contact Steam support. It's a bit useless. Now what I did to get around this issue is I used a VPN and I bought a game with a VPN and everything was fine. I'll go and change it right now live on video. So I've opened up ExpressVPN. You can use any VPN. Then go ahead and connect to this VPN. So I'm connecting here to Singapore. You then want to go ahead and close out of Steam and make sure it's actually closed. So right click on this app here and then click exit Steam and that will shut it down completely. Make sure we're still connected to the VPN. Open up Steam. Now we are logging in. Now if we go to a game here and try and buy it, we can now go to country, and as you can see, Singapore is now available, and we can then go ahead and update the billing address, which will allow us to pay on card if the billing address is different. So that is how I did it, and that is how I would recommend you do it. You can use any free VPN. That's how to do it.